Welcome to a new episode of Triggre Weekend Masterclass, and in this episode I'm going to explain a nice trick that you can apply within your repeat action. So in a different Triggre Weekend Masterclass I already explained to you how you can use a repeat action, but you can do much more with it. And what you can do, you can use every calculation or lookup or other action within your repeat action outside your repeat action. You might start to wonder like, hey, what are you exactly talking about? I'm going to show you that first in the actual application. So how can you apply this and what will the end result be? And after that, I'm going to show you in the designer how I created that. When we look at this application, we have different products and we can adjust all the prices. That's awesome, of course, but after we adjusted all the prices, I would like to have an overview of all products that we have, the original price that it had, and the price that was calculated, and what the current price is of this product. So a simple list, product name, price adjusted from, and to in just one line. So let me first execute this and show you the end result and then go to the designer. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to adjust all product prices, for instance with $13.50. I'm going to click change prices. And as you can see here now, we have a list with all the changes where we say, okay, this printer went from $3.99 to $412.50. This laptop went from $449 to $462.50, etc., etc. And I can download this as an Excel. So how did I create this? Let's go to the designer. So when we first look at the user flow, what we have is we've got the products and we have the page to adjust all prices. We need to fill out the price that we would like to add or subtract from the original price. We're adding those prices or changing those prices in the flowpart product price increase. And in the end, we show the changes. Let me first show you what we show there. So we have a table here, and we use data from the user flow. And in this case, we show a list of from and to prices for each product, which is the output of the flow part that we used just before this page. And this works just like normal. You know, you can have the column header, change it if you want to, just like a normal table that you would have. You can add sorting, you know, can say like, okay, the description from smallest to largest, and allow a download as Excel or CSV. But how did I create this list? Well, I'm going to show you that at the flow parts, because I created this list by using a repeat action. So I've created a lookup with all the products, and in the repeat action I check all the products to create a new price, and besides that I am going to create a text which shows the product name, the from price, and the to price. So first of all, I create a calculation to calculate the new product price. So we take the price of the current product, add the price increase, and the end result is the new price. And after that, I create a calculation where I take the name of the product, add a small part of text to it, from, add the price using the function, of course, to make the price a text, else I cannot create a larger text, to, and add the new price as a text as well. So in this calculation, I get product from old price to new price. Okay. Of course, I need to save the new price at the product as well. That's what I do here. So you can see the new price here. And now you might be wondering, like, okay, but how do I get the list of from two prices for each product in the output? Well, you can use that specific calculation outside of that repeat action. So if we look at the outputs, which I have over here, I can search for calculations within the repeat action. So I select that item, click next, just like a normal output, and then I have that output available. So in this example, I've used this as an output to show it on a page, but this functionality within the Triggre platform, you can use this functionality in different situations to, for instance, add other calculations to the items that you've used in the repeat action based on the calculations that you made in the repeat action. There are numerous situations. I've got a final task for you before you can enjoy your weekend. Hit the like button to like this video, and after that, subscribe to our channel.